Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. To all of my new subscribers, my name is Dominique and I am thrilled to have you here. All of my returning subscribers, welcome back. I would love it if you were to hit the subscribe button. I'm really loving my growing community. There's also a little bell that you can hit to enable notifications so that you never miss any of my videos. I would love that. So today's video is about my in-depth skincare routine. I filmed a couple of these videos already, but I posted a photo to Instagram that just went a little bananas with the comments. I am so grateful. A lot of you got in touch with me via DM and in the comments of that photo and asked me about my skincare routine and what products I use to get my glowing, clear, flawless skin. So this video will outline exactly what I use, how I use it, skincare treatments that I undergo on a regular basis, and little makeup tricks I use to make my skin look even and glowy. So before I wash my face, I use Bioderma micellar water. This one is for sensitive skin. It's the blue color. I go through this stuff like water. And it's really great at removing my makeup before I wash my face. I like to use this before washing my face because my cleanser is really expensive, and if I get most of my makeup off before washing my face, I use less of it, therefore saving money. I recently started using pre-cleansers. So, a pre-cleanser is something that you put on your face to remove your makeup. One I like is Dermalogica's Pre-Cleanse. It's really effective. It's like it melts off your makeup. So I basically apply a few pumps to my hand. This stuff contains a few really nice oils, such as, let's see here, borage seed oil. Not quite sure what that is, but it's got apricot oil in it, which is really great for skin. It really makes your skin nice and soft. I have oily skin. It's kind of combination skin. So, through the T-zone and my chin and right here, that looks terrible. It's pretty oily, but my forehead is sensitive, and I really like this stuff. It's really great for dry skin also, but anybody can use it. I will follow up with my cleansers from SkinMedica. This is the SkinMedica Facial Gel Cleanser. If you guys watch my other two skincare videos, you will know that I love this stuff. It's really gentle, yet really effective at removing all of your makeup. It doesn't leave your skin dried out or tight. It doesn't strip your face at all. It's really lovely stuff. Twice a week, I use the SkinMedica AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. This was a game changer for me. When I started using it frequently, I noticed that my skin got really soft and smooth. Exfoliators are excellent for removing that layer of dead skin cells from your skin so that your moisturizers and serums can work more effectively. So another great exfoliator that I use is Dermalogica's Daily Microfoliant. This stuff is excellent. I use it after I've used my SkinMedica Facial Gel Cleanser. It's a really gentle exfoliator. Again, it removes that layer of dead skin from your face so that your serums and moisturizers can do a better job. So the Bioderma Micellar Solution, the Dermalogica Microfoliant, I apply all of these with Shiseido's facial cotton pads. So this is what they look like. They're about $11 Canadian a bag. I like these because they're not linty. When you wipe your face with them, they don't leave traces of cotton that get into your eye and all of this stuff. I feel like they're well worth the added expense. They're really soft and gentle on your skin. I was using all sorts of different moisturizers, yet I was still breaking out. I thought that my skincare routine was really good, and then I went and had laser hair removal, upper lip and chin at Concept Medical, and I had a really terrible zit, and I let the technician know that it really hurt so that, can she go over it with a laser? Like, is it gonna make it explode or something crazy? And her name's Corey. Corey's my friend and I love her. So Corey's like, what you know, what is your skincare routine? And I let her know, and I'm like, oh, you know, I use this and I use that, and it's really great. It's really working for me. This is the best my skin's ever looked. And then she goes, yeah, but is your skin happy? And that just, it hit me like a ton of bricks. And obviously my skin was not happy because, you know, I had these angry pimples that kept coming back. So like a week or so later, I had a HydraFacial. And the girl, you know, noticed I was breaking out, and she's like, you should try this Elta MD UV Clear Moisturizer. Not only is it a solid sunscreen that everybody should be using, it's a really great acne fighter. And in my experience, moisturizers that are supposed to fight acne have been really harsh on my skin, have really dried out my skin, and I was hesitant to use it. But she went ahead and she put some on my face, and I decided to buy a bottle of that stuff. You know, hey, I'm a skincare beauty blogger, I might as well try it out. Oh my God, that was about 1.5 years ago, and I've been a loyal devotee of the Elta MD UV Clear Moisturizer ever since. I have not had a zit since I started using this stuff. It's got niacinamide in it, which is a proven acne fighter. It's incredible. The other moisturizer I use, I'm a die-hard fan of Darphin. You guys know this. This is Lumière Essentielle. They also do a rose nourishing cream. That is great. All of their moisturizers are great. I've just told you I really love the Elta MD UV Clear because it's been really great for my skin, but I do notice my forehead is sensitive and it gets dried out. And the Darphin I find is really, really good at reducing the dryness. The other moisturizer I use is the SkinMedica Dermal Repair Cream. This stuff is so good. If you like the look of dewy, healthy, bright skin, get yourself some of this. It's expensive. I want to let you guys know that I do collaborate with Concept Medical, that skincare clinic I told you about, so they gift me these products in exchange for promotion. But I do not promote anything that I have not tried on myself, and I would never tell you guys to try anything that I don't like myself. This stuff is lovely. I've used it all summer. It's really, really great if you have, let's say, dry skin or sensitive skin. It may be a little heavy if you have really oily skin, but I have oily skin. I've been using it without a problem. I absolutely love this stuff. After I wash my face with my facial gel cleanser or the exfoliating cleanser, I put on a serum, and it's a SkinMedica HA5 serum. This is a hyaluronic acid serum. Hyaluronic acid, I wish I could fill up a swimming pool with it and dive right in. It is really, really excellent. If you have dry skin, tired skin, inflamed skin, you name it, dehydrated, dry skin, whatever, this stuff is for you. So it's a really light gel. I like to put like a pea-size amount in my hand and then mix it with water and put it on my face after I've washed and dried my skin. This stuff is great. It draws water into your skin. It's really helped with my dry forehead. It is lovely, lovely stuff. If you find that too expensive, a really good dupe is L'Oreal Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum. This is sold in every drugstore, like anywhere you find L'Oreal. I thought it was excellent. It's a clear liquid serum. It's got a slip that's so beautiful. When you put that on your face and then put on your favorite moisturizer, your makeup goes on beautifully. I love that stuff. I reviewed it on my blog. I tell anybody who will listen that the L'Oreal Revitalift serum is fantastic. I really, really enjoyed it. I got a lot of my friends hooked on it. The only facial that I do, and I do them about 3 or 4 times a year, are HydraFacials. I found that they were really, really good at reducing my acne, and now that my acne is gone, I continue doing them about once a quarter. A HydraFacial is fantastic. So it's like this machine, and there's this canister, and it's filled with some sort of solution, and the technician runs this suction-like thing across your face. She'll like run it over my nose and it sucks all the gunk out of your pores. As it's sucking the stuff out of your pores, it's like infusing a serum into your skin that is incredible. I leave there glowing, and the glow lasts for weeks. I also do dermaplaning once a month. I get it done at Concept Medical. And Petra, their technician, she takes a scalpel. I know that sounds scary, but she's really good and really gentle. And she runs the scalpel gently over your entire face with the exception of the nose. And it removes any hair on your face, so any peach fuzz. And most importantly, it removes that layer of dead skin cells off your face. The first time I got it done, I was shocked at how much nasty dead skin and crud came off of my face. Like makeup that was embedded in my skin, and I didn't realize I had such a hairy face. Oh my God. It was great. It is the ultimate exfoliating treatment. After your dermaplaning treatment, your skin glows. It looks fantastic. Dermaplaning also gets rid of all of that crap on your face so that your moisturizers and serums can work better. So the other treatment that I do is simply exfoliating with a washcloth. It is the cheapest yet a very effective way to easily exfoliate your skin. Just do it gently. I have a washcloth, a favorite washcloth that I really like because it's a little softer than the others, and I will, like, just once a week, I'll just put some of my Skin Medica facial gel cleanser onto it and massage it into my face, and boom, that is that. I really, really like it. It's easy peasy, doesn't cost a ton, you don't have to leave the house and drive anywhere to do it. Super effective. Every now and then I do a little at-home mask. I actually every Sunday do like a Sunday spa night. It's like a little stress-free ritual that I love to do, and I will do my whole skincare routine, including a nice little face mask. One that I've been using is a really nice, easy one. It's very hydrating. It's called Kiehl's Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask. It smooths your skin, makes it super soft. So this is a great hydrator. It's a really fun green color too. I love putting it on and scaring Reese with it. I really, really like it. It's very, very effective. Again, if you have dry skin, this is a lovely option, but it's gentle enough so that anybody can use it. It's lovely. It leaves my face feeling very soft and very smooth. So the last treatment that I do is actually Botox. I get Botox on my forehead about every 4 or 5 months, every 4 months. And I did it because I didn't like how wrinkly my forehead was getting. I'm 41 years old and it started to get kind of noticeable. It's really good at getting rid of your 11s. The 11s are the 2 lines on your forehead right here that make you look angry. I really liked Botox in particular because Botox, for some reason, makes you look really glowy and even. Like I used to get little zits on my forehead all the time, and the Botox completely got rid of that. Again, it just makes it gives your forehead a really soft and even look. So I want to admit the fact that I get Botox. It's still kind of taboo in our community. It shouldn't be. I'm a huge advocate, especially for women, to do anything that they want within reason that makes them feel better about themselves. The Botox made me feel better about myself. It got rid of some of the acne on my forehead. It made my skin look really nice and even. Don't let anybody shame you about getting Botox. And at this point, I feel like it's not even a big deal anymore. But yeah, Botox really worked for me. I really like it. The next part of this video that I wanted to speak to you guys about is diet and lifestyle. I have a major sweet tooth. I love candy. I love chocolate, pies, cakes, ice cream, you name it. But when I did the Whole30 diet at the beginning of the summer and I cut all of that stuff out for the 30 days, my skin looked fantastic. Don't let anybody tell you that food does not directly change the look of your skin. It does. If you're eating crap, if you're filling your body with garbage, it will show in your skin. And then there's sleep. If you're not getting enough sleep, it shows in your face. You look tired, haggard, worn out, the dark circles. Water is huge for great skin. It keeps you hydrated. Lots of water flushes out all those bad toxins from your skin. It is incredibly important for the health of your skin. So try to drink as much as possible. Alcohol. Oh, my beloved wine. Ugh. But when I cut that stuff out, I notice, honestly, a really big positive difference in my skin. Ryan and I recently went to Quebec City. I drank a ton there, or like I said, if I go out for like a night out with my girls and I'm drinking too much, the following day my skin looks like hell. It's dried out, it's dull, it's nasty. So if you do want to see a positive difference in your skin, I would consider cutting out alcohol entirely. So I just moved the camera a bit closer because I wanted to go over some makeup tricks just quickly that I do to make my skin look more even. I use Bare Minerals mineral makeup. This color is Golden Dark. It's a little too dark for me, so I mix it with another Bare Minerals color, which I think is Golden Tan, something like that. Again, I will link all these products in the description box. I want to mention this because my skin got better when I started using mineral makeup. It is like a thing. Mineral makeup doesn't congest your skin like other foundations do. This is lovely. The coverage is great, the pigmentation is fabulous. Bare Minerals does a very good job at catering to women of color too. They have a really nice color range. So this has been my favorite foundation, and yeah, I use it regularly. I do not get breakouts from this stuff. It does not bother my skin whatsoever. The other foundation that I absolutely adore is YSL's Touche Eclat foundation, and I use B75. This is a go-to foundation. The coverage is insane. The color is perfect for me. I don't have to mix it with anything. It's absolutely lovely. You put it on and you don't see any imperfections at all. It does feel light and not oppressive by any means. It's a lovely foundation. And next is highlighter, obviously. So I put highlighter on my cheeks and on my, like above my brow bone here, put a little there, anywhere that the sun hits, tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, a little on my chin, and that makes me look dewy and healthy. So my absolute favorite is a limited edition by Lancome. They sent this to me at Christmas, last Christmas, and it's this beautiful blooming rose. I didn't use it for a long time because it was so pretty. I didn't want to use it up, but this is a lovely champagne color. I love this stuff. It's just a beautiful rose gold color, and it's so flattering. I feel this suits a multitude of skin tones. Huge recommend. I reviewed this on my blog too. I'll link my blog post review in it so that you guys can check it out also. So my other ride or die highlighters are good old Becca. This one is Topaz and this one is Chocolate Geode. They are hugely flattering. All of my black girls know that you need this in your collection. It is lovely. Topaz is the absolute perfect bronzy gold. And then I bought Chocolate Geode the minute it was released. If you have darker skin, this one is for you. So there you go. I just turned down the exposure on my camera and I feel this is a true reflection of what Chocolate Geode looks like. It's beautiful. And this is Topaz. You can see it's a bit more champagne-y. It's a little lighter. Fabulous. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it shed a little light on how I achieve my skincare look. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send them to me. I'm on Instagram at dominique.baker. Many of you write to me there. I love hearing from you guys. Yeah, if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell if you want to get notifications as soon as a new video comes up. And read my blog, styledomination.com. I love you guys so much. Your support means everything. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.